When Efeogene Uwiraka and 11 of his friends set out to Akwa Ibom on the 25th of April 2024, his intention was to go get married to his new bride and bring her home. Sadly, fate had another plan in store for them as their encounter with officers of the Taba police station in Kana local government area of Rivers State led to the death of Inspector Christiana Irekere. The 12 of them have been incarcerated while their trial has been ongoing at the Rivers State High Court. After 18 months, the trial judge, Honorable Justice Augusta Chukwu, in her judgment, discharged and acquitted all 12 suspects, saying the police failed to prove beyond reasonable doubt their murder charge, a decision that was met with jubilation from relatives of the defendants and tears from those of the deceased.
And while en route to Akwa Ibom, they were stopped at Taba Divisional Police, where a police officer by name Harrison demanded for bribe to give them money before they can proceed their journey. And eventually, the defendant were unable to have given them the money. And then there was a fracas, and incidentally, someone died. And they said the person that died was the defendant caused the death of the deceased person. So how it is, we had to come to this court, and eventually they preferred the charge against them. And then the court sumoto went into full trial, full-scale trial. It's a trial that we were doing almost every month, so almost in a month, 2-3 times. But my lord, he was determined that she must finish this case within the shorter period of time. And of course, today, what we are seeing today is a judgment in favor of the defendant, because my lord, the evidence so far canvassed by the prosecution is unreliable.
In his reaction, the prosecuting counsel says he will return to his superiors to decide on their next line of action.
The court has reviewed the facts before it and evidence before it, and come to this conclusion. That is the position of the court. I will contact the authorities that sent me and review the judgment and look at where the courts have done well or have not done well.
The relatives of the deceased police officer are distressed as they reject the judgment which they label unjust, even as they hint they will appeal the case.
Today they free all of them, that they should go. What about us? Who will take care of us? My own siblings and I will be suffering ever since they have not go to school. They don't go know we are managing and the court will just people free. They will go just like that. How about us? How about the person that died?
Though judgment has been given, the saga appears to be far from over as both parties await the appeal process. Charles Oporum, Channels Television News.